65 plus. You want a British 65 plus.
So I don't know what you're talking about, but I was at this bar right now, and at this bar, the woman there was so beautiful, you know, it was the most beautiful ever.
Nice, lovely bar. I'm giving the bar a good review. Yeah, you could burn a joint out here as long as it says CBD. Nice chill spot. We've been out here chilling, 3 of us. Drink for how long? Nice staff. And it was nice. You can watch the sports. Toilet there. And the bar, lovely staff working at the bar. And where we at now? We at the strip. We're on the strip.
Yeah.
And what's the club name? What's this bar name?
This is Espelho bar.
Asperia.
Espelho.
Asperia.
Mirror. Means mirror in Portuguese.
Oh, mirrors in Portuguese. Okay. Nice bar, lovely staff, fine line. They look after us. And with them, my crazy Norwegian friend, them, and they're crazy. I can't drink like them. And they drink, and I'm surprised we've been drinking all long, and
It was soft. It was not something that you can kills you. The shot was okay. It was soft.
yeah, that was alright. Thanks for that, man.
Thank you for coming, my friend.
Yeah, my first time coming here. I'm from UK, but I'm originally Jamaican. So I come here on my own. That's
Not the
why.
last one.
Eh?
I hope it's not the last time you come here.
Hell no, it's not the last time. Plus, I need to look up them Portuguese girls. I need to find me a Portuguese girl. I'll join up on
You
Tinder.
wanna try to find a Portuguese woman?
I would love a wife. I find one on internet and she tried to tell me about money. I told her I don't pay for sex. I'm Christian. I'm Christian. I don't pay for sex. I get it free. You understand? But yeah, I'm coming back still. But I'm coming the wrong part. This is a tourist zone. I didn't realize we're a tourist zone. But I just really need to get out the UK. I'm traveling next month again. But I might go Spain.
For what? Real Portugal.
I'm-
Have to go a little bit further there.
Yeah, next time when I come, I was going to go Madeira, you know.
Madeira is
I was going to go Madeira first.
Madeira.
Yeah, yeah. The footballer from Madeira, I was going Madeira to go to that party town name, country or
Funchal.
Funchal. Yeah, I want to go to Funchal.
Funchal is the easiest part.
I need to go there and then I need to go Lisbon. Yeah, but Lisbon, you get to mix with the local and you got tourists as well.
Yeah.
Here's strictly tourists, Europeans.
Even the stuff, you have a lot of tourists working here.
Yeah, they come work down there for tourist
They
season.
come to work and party at the same time.
They work and then party after, get paid. But these crazy Norwegian guys, they're from Norwegian, they're the second set. And they're living here.
Yeah. They're here for a season, on the summertime.
Oh, yo, they're crazy, I ain't
For
lying.
us, have the same lifestyles as the tourists because we kill ourselves to do that the whole year.
I can't have that lifestyle. I gotta go back to Britain and go work Monday.
On Monday already.
Monday, I'm going back Monday and I'm working Monday night. I work 10-hour shift. But yeah, nice meeting you. You're good lad. And nice meeting you all. Good stuff. You alright? Huh?
As long as I have toilet paper. Det blir bra att vara försiktig. Jag är så glad för att vara försiktig. Det räddar liksom hela dagen ner. Ja, det är visst. Ja. Och den här fyren har brått på det. Sorry. Hi, Bob.
Watch your street. Look, some nice girls over there. And night.
Yeah, when
music.
Upp det då. Fireman.
What y'all talking about?
Well, I have to tell you something to the IR camera. Well, I was talking to this guy right now. He seemed like a cool guy and everything. But then he asked, or I asked him, yeah, okay, can I buy you a beer? And he said, oh, I'm not into that. I was like, what do you mean? I'm not into that. So, and then I understand later, oh, he thought I was gay. So I was sitting with those people. Nah, he thought I was gay. So he said, I'm not into that. My girlfriend sitting there. My girlfriend sitting there,
Let me see the sign ahead again. Go turn.
You decide. It's up to you.
Show me no stress, no stress.